In this tutorial, I will show you how to reorder videos inside YouTube playlist. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. First, you need to log in your YouTube channel account, then go to your channel icon, go to YouTube Studio. From the left side panel, go to Content, go to Top, click the playlist, then click the CapCut Tutorials. So this will bring you in this window. To reorder your playlist videos, you just need to drag and drop your videos. The videos up and down. Just click this video and you can bring this video your desirable location. Then choose this one, select this one and drag this video and drop here. Select these three dots, move to bottom so you can bring your videos bottom. Then how can you bring your videos? Move to up. Select this video, three dots, choose move to top. So this is the very simple way you can reorder your existing videos in your YouTube playlist. So if you like this video content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.